Facebook Ads is an advertising platform used for paid social campaigns on Facebook, while Google Ads serves search and display ads. While both run pay-per-click (PPC) ads, they do so on different channels and often target users at different stages of the buyer journey. Facebook and Google are two of the most popular advertising platforms out there. Although Google is a search engine and Facebook is a social media platform, they both offer effective and cost-effective advertising strategies that enable companies to sell more than ever before. But the question has always been, which of them has more benefits to make your advertisement worthwhile? Facebook ads or Google ads? In this video, we shall talk about the benefits of advertising on each platform and which platform is likely to have a higher return on investment for your business. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Facebook ads and Google ads are the leading pay-per-click (PPC) advertising platforms, although they are very different platforms with unique audiences and use cases. Google Ads is best for a brand, product, or service that people are actively looking for, while Facebook Ads is best for promoting a product or service that a specific audience is not necessarily actively looking for, but is likely to be interested in. What the two PPC platforms have in common is that both involve a considerable learning curve. Until recently, many advertisers viewed Google Ads and Facebook Ads in an adversarial manner. The long-standing rivalry between the two companies, often dramatized by technology media, was taken as irrefutable evidence that the two platforms were in direct competition with one another, and that companies of all sizes had to make a difficult decision as to which platform was right for their needs. Although the two platforms are often positioned as competitors, in a practical sense nothing could be further from the truth. Many companies leverage the strengths of advertising on Google and Facebook ads together to get maximum visibility, increase leads and sales, and find new customers by using different strategies that are tailored to the functionality of each platform and which see remarkable returns on their ad spend. Let's explore Facebook and Google differently. When should you use Facebook ads? Facebook ads are best for companies looking to increase awareness of their brand or the products or services they sell, especially with audiences who may never have heard of them. If you are looking for a big audience, much like Google, Facebook has a huge global audience. With more than 1.55 billion monthly active users, more than a fifth of the entire world population, plus inactive or rarely used accounts, Facebook is unrivaled when it comes to the size of its audience. Instead of exposing advertisers and their messages to this huge audience, however, the real strength of Facebook's huge audience lies in the potential granularity with which advertisers can target Facebook users. If you require a specific target, with these extensive target group targeting options, Facebook enables advertisers to present their offers to the desired target group using text, images, and convincing video ads. Facebook has become a highly competitive and potentially lucrative element of many companies' digital advertising strategies. 1. If you need detailed data of users, people share almost every imaginable detail of their life on Facebook. From getting to know each other and getting married, to having children, to celebrating new career steps, Facebook users share the joys and achievements of life's milestones with their friends and networks every day. They also seek out and consume content that aligns with a wide range of personal interests, beliefs, ideologies, and values, and offer advertisers the unique opportunity to tailor advertising messages to their target audiences in ways that were previously considered impossible or even unimaginable. 2. Lookalike audiences. One of the most powerful uses of this functionality is the ability for advertisers to create so-called lookalike audiences. Advertisers can upload customer information from their databases to Facebook, which then applies to filter based on its data and information provided by external data brokers to match users whose information the advertiser uploads. 3. Return on investment. Businesses and marketers experimenting with Facebook advertising are often impressed with the granularity of the targeting options, as well as the tools available to them to create beautiful, engaging ads. One element of Facebook advertising that continues to surprise newbies, however, is the potential return on investment that advertising on Facebook offers and how far savvy advertisers can push a limited advertising budget on the platform. When to use Google Ads. Google Ads is best for businesses with a product or service that users want or need, and that they are actively looking for. These ads are primarily aimed at users in the buying phase, so ad copy that is succinct and clear makes the call or visit easier, and highlights the clear benefits of the brand's product or service will be the most successful. 1. Wider reach. One of the main advantages of Google as an advertising platform is its immense reach. Google processes more than 40,000 search queries every second, a total of more than 1.2 trillion web searches per year. As Google becomes more sophisticated in part due to its increasing reliance on its proprietary artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, RankBrain, that amazing search volume is likely to increase, along with the potential for advertisers to reach new customers. 2. Seeking solution. Both Google Ads and Facebook Ads are incredibly powerful advertising platforms that are suitable for virtually any type of business. When evaluating the strengths and potential applications of each solution, it is also clear that the two platforms should not be viewed as opposites, but rather as complementary ones. However, Google as a search engine, as such, has been designed to provide answers and solutions to queries sought by the user. Leveraging the power of both paid search and paid social networks is a remarkably effective advertising strategy. What do you think of these? Share your thoughts on Facebook Ads versus Google Ads in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.